Hello students, today we have to start exercise 7.3, which is based on some more criterias of the congruency of triangles. Total 5 congruency criterias are there, in which 3 we have done in previous exercises. 2 more were left, that are SSS and RHS. SSS means side. If a triangle has, we know, 3 sides, and if all the 3 sides, corresponding sides, are equal to the corresponding sides of other triangle, if sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of other triangle, then we can say that the triangles are congruent by the SSS rule, because all the 3 sides are equal. Similarly, one more criteria, RHS, where R stands for right angle, H is hypotenuse, and S is side. So if in 2 triangles there is one right angle is there in both triangles, मतलब one angle is 90 degree in both, right angle हो गया. Second, hypotenuse is same, both triangle hypotenuse is equal. Hypotenuse बेटा पता कैसे चलेगा? Hypotenuse, how you will identify in the triangle, the side which is opposite to the right angle, that is hypotenuse. Fix है. Firstly you have to see where is right angle, and the side which is opposite to the right angle, that is always hypotenuse. And if that side is equal to the corresponding side of other triangle, and then side, any other side, total 3 sides are there of triangle, one hypotenuse equal होगी, other 2 sides are left, any one side is also equal, then by RHS rule we can say the triangles are congruent. So these 2 congruence criteria we will use today in this exercise to prove the triangles are congruent. So like you can see, first sum hai, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are 2 isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and vertices A and D are on the same side of the BC. Figure we can see, ABC DBC are 2 isosceles triangle with same base BC, A and D are on the same side. ठीक है. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that. ठीक है. So what we have to show, 4 parts are there, like one is ABD triangle congruent prove करना है to ACD. Second, ABP we have to prove congruent to ACP. Third, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. And fourth is AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. These 4 parts we have to prove. So you can see here, given and to prove I have written. What is given to us? AB is equal to AC है, because ABC is isosceles triangle. Similarly, DB is equal to DC because DBC is a isosceles triangle. Clear? To prove 4 parts are there. So firstly we have to prove, first part है triangle ABD and triangle A. Line wise we have to do this thing, always you have to keep in mind. Firstly also I have told you so many times, especially in this geometry sums, when 3-4 sub parts are given, then you have to go for them to solve them in order. Order wise only we can solve them. ये नहीं कि firstly we can solve third part and then we will able to solve the first part. No, that is not possible in most of the cases. We have to go in order, that is first part firstly we have to prove, and from there we will get some extra information which will be used in second part to prove the second part. Similarly second wali third and that. ठीक है. So firstly we have to prove triangle ABD and ACD congruent, which is very easy. AB is equal to AC given है, BD is equal to CD, that is also given, and one AD is equal to AD common हो. ठीक है. AB equal AC given है, BD equal DC, that is also given to us because both are isosceles triangle, and AD is common in both triangle. So by SSS rule triangles क्या हो गए बेटा? Congruent हो गए. ठीक है. And we have to prove congruent only, but you can see I have written here angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCT, that you know कि they will be equal by CPCT. But question is कि मैंने क्यों कर लिया? Why I have written here? Because they have said only to prove us ABD is congruent to ACD, and that we have done. Then why we have written angle BAD equal to angle CAD? Because it will be used in second part. ठीक है. तो ज्योमेट्री सम्स में जैसे मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया हुआ है दैट वी हैव टू फर्स्टली प्लान दैट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व. सो I know that in second part it will be used, and you will also know when you will do. देखो second part is triangle ABP and ACP congruent करने हैं. AB is equal to AC, it is given to us. AP is common, but what about third? Third हमको क्या चाहिए? Third what is required and what does not we have? That is BAP equals CAP. Angle BAP, angle CAP we need to do equal. ठीक है, तो that's why I have used it in equation in हाँ first part. ठीक है, उसको प्रूव करके रख लिया. एंगल बी ए बी इक्वल सी ए पी वी कैन राइट रीजन के प्रूव्ड इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. सो बाय विच रूल? एस से एस. यहाँ पे कौन सा रूल लग गया? एस से एस रूल. वी कैन से दैट ट्राइंगल ए बी पी एंड ट्राइंगल ए सी पी आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड पार्ट, एंगल बी ए डी इक्वल. थर्ड पार्ट देखो व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव? ए पी बाइसेक्ट्स एंगल ए एज वेल एज एंगल डी. What we have to prove? That AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Bisect का मतलब that divide it into equal parts. That means we have to prove that AP is bisecting angle A into equal parts and similarly angle D also into equal parts. So see where is angle A and AD, how it can bisect. So we can see that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. That we have proved in equation in part first only. In first part of this sum we have proved triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD, and that means angle BAD angle CAD equal है by CPCT. तो what does it mean? That AD has bisected it into equal parts. So यहाँ से ये तो डायरेक्ट प्रूव हो गया that AP bisects angle A. Now what about angle D? तो for that we need to prove triangle DBP and triangle DCB congruent. So you can see, ठीक है, यहाँ पे करने नहीं थे देखो congruent. They have said us to prove that AP bisects angle D. A and D, A तो हो गया. To prove that AP bisects angle D also we need to prove triangle DBP and triangle DCP congruent. So that you can see how I have done here. DB is equal to DC हो गया, given है. DP equal DP common है. BP equal CP. अब ये कहाँ से आया? This it has came from part second. It has came from part second. In second part we have proved ABP and ACP triangle are congruent. So by CPCT rule BP और CP equal हो गए, that we have used here in third part, and by SSS rule triangle DBP and DCB भी congruent हो गए. And if they are congruent that means angle BDP और CDP equal हो गए, and BDP CDP equal है that means AP bisects angle D. ये तो प्रूव करना था. We have to prove that AP is bisecting angle D. Angle D के दो पार्ट्स कौन कौन से? See from the figure, BDP and CDP. We have to prove that BDP and CDP are equal. ये हमने कर दिए प्रूव. एंड हाउ वी हैव प्रूव्ड इक्वल? बाय प्रूविंग द ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से प्रूव हो गया दैट AP इज बाइसेक्टिंग एंगल A एज वेल एज एंगल D. नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट इज AP इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC. व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव? AP इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC. तो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का मतलब परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स 90 डिग्री एंड बाइसेक्टर मीन्स टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. It means, see from the figure, we have to prove that AP is perpendicular on BC, मतलब 90 डिग्री एंगल बना रही है, and also it is bisecting into equal parts, मतलब BP and PC are equal. This we have to prove. And BP is equal to PC, if you remember, then that we have used also. ये तो पहले भी हम यूज़ कर रखे हैं, कर चुके हैं. That means BP and CP are equal. तो it means bisector तो है, ठीक है. But main problem is now by perpendicular, how we have to prove? सो परपेंडिकुलर देखो कैसे प्रूव करेंगे. वी नो एंगल DBP एंड DPC आर इक्वल. कहाँ से आए? ये थर्ड पार्ट से आ गया. इन थर्ड पार्ट वी हैव प्रूव्ड ट्राइंगल DBP एंड DCP कॉन्ग्रेंट. फ्रॉम देयर वी गेट एंगल DPB एंड एंगल DPC आर इक्वल. ऑल्सो सम ऑफ देम दीज टू एंगल्स विल बी 180 बिकॉज लीनियर पेयर दे आर ऑन स्ट्रेट लाइन. सी फ्रॉम द फिगर वी कैन सी दीज टू एंगल्स आर ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन DPB DPC. तो स्ट्रेट लाइन है, दैट मीन्स दे आर फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर एंड सम ऑफ लीनियर पेयर इज ऑलवेज 180. तो दोनों एंगल्स का सम कितना हो गया बेटा? 180. एंड दिस ऑल्सो वी नो के बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो वी विल चेंज देयर नेम. वी विल गिव द नेम ऑफ, मतलब वी विल गिव देम सेम नेम. वन वी विल कीप एज इट इज, दूसरे को उस पहले वाले जैसा नेम दे देना है. यू कैन सी आई हैव चेंज देयर बोथ नेम एंगल DPB. यू कैन चेंज DPC ऑल्सो, इट इज़ योर चॉइस. सो दोनों मैंने कर लिए DPB, दैट मीन्स डबल हो गया एंगल DPB 2 will go in divide of 180 divided by 2 90 यार. So we have proved that angle DPB 90 डिग्री है. अब 90 डिग्री का मतलब क्या है? It means AP is perpendicular to BC. परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब क्या होता है? 90 डिग्री होता है ना. 90 डिग्री वी हैव प्रूव्ड, तो इट मीन्स AP is perpendicular on BC and BP is equal to CP as I have earlier told you that we have already used. वो तो यूज भी कर चुके हैं. See here in part third we have used BP is equal to CP. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीज़ों को मिला दिया, टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में भी डिवाइड कर दिया है. परपेंडिकुलर इज देयर, सो दैट मीन्स AP इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC. Clear? So in this way you have to prove all the 4 parts of this sum. Thank you.